So this is how everything becomes benefited. Our minds are, even it's raining, we don't care anymore because we're devotees now. So Adi-Daivika, we're not affected by Adi-Daivika mysteries, or Adi-Bhautik, or Adi-Atmik, because we just cry out, "Oh Gurudev, oh Gurudev, oh Krishna, oh Krishna," and then everything comes out all right. We have Adi-Atmika problems, we get healthy. When Adi-Daivika, the weather changes. And Adi-Bhautika, people improve. Everything improves. Like this. Just like that's said in the Dharmic Shastras, that when a proper religious man, a celibate man, in the Indian culture, original Indian culture, when he accepts a proper celibate kanya, wife, then he's receiving Lakshmi Devi in his life. A wife, a celibate lady who was married in a proper traditional way of Hindu Dharma, then that is the combining of that man with the goddess of fortune, Lakshmi Devi, who's embodied. So what does that mean? That means his life improves. He becomes balanced, he becomes happy, he becomes responsible, he grows up, he becomes fortunate. He may even increase his wealth, his paisa. His rupees may increase just by the presence of that chaste wife under his wing, so to speak, or serving together with him in the marriage grihastha ashram, the marriage arrangement. And they represent the union of the two, of the male and female principle, and the whole total reality that we live in is full of passive and active, the active and passive principle, the aggressive and the receptive principle. So the active principle or the active principle is the man, and the passive principle is the woman. So it's called yin yang. So in other words, they come together to make the total. So when lady marries husband, then that becomes total. So that's just material. What to speak of when a soul surrenders at the feet of the Sadguru. The Guru represents Sakshat Hari. So now, how much betterment he'll have. If just a kanya or a virgin lady becomes one's wife, he improves the man and the woman. They improve their physical health, they improve their emotional health, and their whole life experience and even nature. Everything improves for them. This is told in Shastra. So what to speak of when the conditioned soul meets the Guru? His physical being will improve because the wife doesn't take your karma. She does in one sense, because if the grihastha ashram is successful, both people get liberated. The husband and wife, if they're devotees and they do bhakti bhajan, then they both attain prema and get liberated. So in one sense, they're not. He's taking her karma and she's taking his karma, but actually bhakti is destroying all the karma for both of them. Bhakti bhajan.